built on tune, bro. Shit's on E85 and everything. I'll have to go watch the races. Everybody brings out their fast ass shit, popping wheelies, whole nine. Oh, you fucker.
There's so many people. this side up a little bit because it's jam it's stuck in there good.
Yeah, I dug it in there.
We got
Alright, we're gonna tow you back for Thank you.
You guys want there for a sunset?
When you go
overseas, you learn you gotta at least give it enough fucking day to go, because if not, you go, One, go! Got it.
There you go. Hey.
Much later.
What's happening, guys? Just made it back. Obviously not fully home, but made it back to my boys. I had an absolute blast, man. It was so much fun. Yeah, it's crazy, man. That sand is something else, bruh. I've never ridden in like sand like that, like dunes. Bruh. On a bike, that shit is pretty tiring, I'm not gonna lie. You're just constantly fighting the sand. Like, that shit is just like, get over here. The whole time, bruh. But nonetheless, it was fun, man. Happy I got to test the new bike out a little bit. Honestly, I never even got that thing out of third gear. I'm supposed to actually stay another day, but something happened with our sleeping situation, so we ended up just coming back early. Hope you enjoyed the bike content. I didn't really get another bike to like start posting like bike content. It's not really what my channel is for anymore, but the bike stuff is a part of my life if I do have a bike. So when I do go out to ride, I'm probably gonna film it. I just like to include you guys on all my journeys. So appreciate you guys for tuning in, man. Drop a thumbs up, subscribe to your boy. I have an S15 update here real soon. My guy's working on it, finishing up this turbo kit. Stay tuned. Catch you guys in the next video.